G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC and yep, this is our group build, so we're about to get into the next part. Okay, welcome to part 2. Right, let's get this stuff out of the box and get the chassis done. There's the instructions. Get that out of the way, too messy. And we'll get all the chrome out to redo the chrome. They're the stock wheels, we don't want those. Gotta fix the chrome on them as well. And there's parts of that are where. We've got to get this out here because we've got to get the chassis painted first. This the idea. We've got to get the chassis all painted up first. So I need to pull all of this down to get the chassis out. There it is there. Pop that really up. Got to get the bumpers out. There. Now I've got to go out into the paint stripper because I don't know what this stuff is in here. So I'll have to put the paint stripper on there to clean it out. Then we'll clean him all up and we'll get him painted. Now we've got the grill out. Thank God it was just clipped back there, but I've got to get all of these. I've got to get all of these off. All of these casting lines all the way around here. Even worse on the front, just there, look at that. So I've got to clean all of those up there because I'm going to be painting the chassis the same colour as the car. Alright, bit of a hot rod style. Okay, we've done all of that around the radiator there now. We've got all of them off there. We're going to get the Dremel out with a little scour or brush on it, and we're going to buff him up and clean him up around and get all of the sharp edges off. Got rid of all of the dags off everywhere. Wow, that took me ages. That's why I didn't film it all. But and they've just got to do that strip a bit. Alright, and then we'll get it organised and get it in some primer. Okay, so we're now onto the chrome because this kit's 41 years old and there's a lot of chrome missing off a lot of places. Been in the box all the time, so it could be worse. So we'll grab the number 2 size liquid chrome Molotol pen and we'll do all of the re-chroming. So let's hook into it and get moving on. And be sure to check out all the other builders that have joined in. We'll leave links in the description to their channels so you can easily click on it and check out everyone that joined us. And I would like to once again thank everyone for joining us in our first group kit build. Okay, all the chrome is done. Now this door fits pretty good, the gaps are not too bad. Other side is jamming against the A-pillar windscreen frame, so we're going to have to file that off and re-gap the top of the door because you can't get the door to open and close. Alright, so we'll get in and fix that all up. And I've got to trim this little bit off the corner of the dash, that way it'll miss the door. All done, now they open and close, nice gaps everywhere, won't chip paint or anything when we put it back together, and everything should work with a bit of luck. Now we had to file all of the edges right around the whole base plate, so that way it gives us nice, clean, smooth lines when we paint it and you don't have any little pits. Clean the areas down, fix the tails up on the fenders, and we've got all the leading edges all nicely cleaned, filed up, so that way when it's painted, everything gives you nice, clean, cool, sharp edges. Okay, we've buffed it all up with the Dremel now. It's all looking nice, clean, smooth, tidy, all ready to get into primer. Then our other base coat, and then the colour. So let's keep hooking in. Righto, we've got a cracker day for once, thank God for that. And we've got them all in primer now, every single little bit. So looking good. The next step will be mercury silver, and then you'll see the colour on the next step after the mercury silver. Rightio, we're in mercury silver all over. So we're getting there, and are you ready for the colour? We had a lot of people said yellow, and there was a few greens in there, and reds and blacks, and well, hold on to your socks. We'll see what colour it's going to be. All in green. There you go, Tropicana green. Now that doesn't have clear on it yet. That's just the shine straight off the metallic green, but once we get the clear on there, wow, it'll go bang. Alright, next step is the clear. Okay, back in the same position. First coat of clear. Wow, she's coming to life, alright. Look at that. So a couple more coats of clear and let it all dry, and then we can start on the interior and then putting it together. Okay, got all the clear on. That's the fire you can hear crackling away. It's all cleared up. I'll come a bit closer. Got bad lighting in here because we're on the fire inside the house, believe it or not. I've done all the chrome because the chrome gives you two options with the chrome, so I've done all the chrome because I haven't put it all together yet properly. But alright, so we'll get organised and we'll get onto the engine now. Okay, here's the engine. Well, this is what the engine will look like when it's built. That's from Platinum Scale. So I'll put a link in the description down there below for that there. So this kit comes with all of that set up in that bag here. And you can either have it that way with your throttle bodies on the top, or you can have it with the this single scoop here on the top of your throttle bodies. Alrighty, so get them out of the bag. There we have it. I'll get the exhaust trying to. Beautiful header pipes, nicely set up. So they'll look nicely done. High volume oil. Done well, done well. Filter, all of that sort of stuff on there. That's the front there, and starter motor on the side. On the top. Going on there, sitting in there nicely. And you've got the nice little pulley set up to go on there. Same as it, and you've got all of the other, it's got the top hat, you've got the heads and the tops of the engine block there for the big block, and all of your various ignition, MSD ignitions, and the throttle bodies there. Even the top of the MSD ignition has the logo on it. It's got a little good one, it's all detailed up. Alrighty, and then we've got the steering wheel that we got from Platinum Scale on the Boss kit there, and also we've got a Hurst shifter because this is the original steering wheel, so we got rid of that there. Alrighty, so that's all we've got in part 2. So I'll put a link in the description with all of the links to the channels that are in the group build with us, and you'll catch us again on the 29th with the final of this one here, which is my son's birthday, and we'll have the engine all done and the car all together. Alright, until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.